rear brakes. Chevy Silverado. What's going on? Today we out here in Frisco working on a Chevy Silverado. It's gonna be getting some rear brakes knocked out on it. And as you can see, they are out of there. Caught them just in time. What you're gonna need is a 13mm for these caliper brackets. When you're replacing the rears, pay attention to these little rivets on the pads. This one goes on the outside and this one goes in the center by the caliper. Re-grease these guide pins, clean these brackets. All right, now before you get to the next one, it's always good to just pump the brakes. Same procedure on this side. This one sounded like it was pretty bad. Good to go. We're gonna pump the brakes and take it on a test drive.
Black.